Hello! In this tutorial, I'll briefly show you how to carry out a heating design calculation in DesignBuilder and discuss the context underpinning the heating design calculation, the key parameters involved in setting up the calculation, and finally, I'll run a calculation and review the results. Heating design calculations enable you to determine the size of the heating plant required to meet design winter conditions.
You can access the full tutorial from DesignBuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on DesignBuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate DesignBuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.